Welcome to our video on the essential methods of production. Understanding these is key for any business in manufacturing or service industries. We'll break down the three main types: job, batch, and flow production, and when to use each one. The three primary methods we'll explore are job production, batch production, and flow production. Knowing the right production method is crucial. It impacts your efficiency, cost, and the overall quality of your final product. Let's begin with job production. Job production is all about creating a unique product, tailor-made to a specific customer's order. It's truly a one-off process. Think of a tailor making a custom suit, a specialized construction project, or a bespoke piece of furniture. The main advantage is high quality and customization. However, it can be very costly, time-consuming, and labor-intensive. Next up is batch production, a step up from job production. Batch production involves producing goods in groups or batches. Each batch goes through the same production steps before moving to the next stage. Common examples include bakeries producing different types of bread or manufacturers producing seasonal goods like limited edition clothing. Batch production offers variety and can reduce costs compared to job production. But setting up and changing between batches can cause downtime. Finally, let's explore flow production, the most automated and high-volume method. Flow production is a continuous process designed for high-volume, standardized products. The work never stops, moving from one stage to the next seamlessly. The best examples are large-scale manufacturing like car assembly lines, bottling drinks, or continuous chemical processing. Flow production leads to the lowest unit costs and maximum output. However, it requires huge initial investment, and a breakdown in one area can halt the entire process. So how do these three methods compare, and which one is right for your business? Choose job production for custom, high-value items, batch for flexible production of standardized groups, and flow for non-stop, massive volume with minimal variety. Understanding these methods is the first step toward optimizing your operations. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your production planning.